Hi, welcome to the section Rule and Pattern Mining with R. In this section, we'll cover creating and inspecting transaction datasets, performing association analysis with the a priori algorithm, visualizing associations in various graph formats, and finding frequent item sets using the ECLAT algorithm. Last, we create transactions with temporal information and use the CSPADE algorithm to discover frequent sequential patterns. Now let's start with the first video of the section, transforming data into transactions. In this video, we demonstrate how to transform a purchase order dataset into transactions with the arules package. The majority of viewers will be familiar with Walmart moving beer next to diapers in its stores because it found that the purchase of both products is highly correlated. This is one example of what data mining is about. It can help us find how items are associated in a transaction dataset. Using this skill, a business can explore the relationship between items, allowing it to sell correlated items together to increase sales. As an alternative to identifying correlated items with association mining, another popular application of data mining is to discover frequent sequential patterns from transaction datasets with temporal information. This can be used in a number of applications, including predicting customer shopping sequence order, web click streams, and biological sequences. Before using any rule mining algorithm, we need to transform data from the data frame format into transactions. Let's see how to do that. Download the Purchase Order R Data dataset from the link I'm showing here. When you go to the site and enter, the file gets downloaded automatically. Find the file in your folder and move the file to the directory of the RStudio. If you don't know the directory, type getwd in the text editor and save the file in the directory. First, we install and load the arules package. We type this command for that. Since I've already installed the package won't install again. But in your case, you'll see the successful installation of the package. Then we use the load function to load purchase orders by user into an R session. Lastly, we convert the data.table or data.frame into transactions with the AS function. Let's call trans, and we have the output here. The transactions are in rows and items in columns. In addition to converting the data of a data frame or data table class into transactions, you can transform the data of a list or matrix class into transactions by following these steps. First, we'll make a list with 3 vectors containing purchase records using trlist. Now let's call the names function. Next, use the as function to transform the data frame into transactions. You can also transform matrix format data into transactions. How do we do that? This is our matrix data. We use dimension names function here. And then trans. Here you can see the output in rows and columns. In this video, we learned to transform data into transactions successfully. Awesome! In the next video, we'll display transactions and associations.